Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're taking a closer look at a kitchen essential that's bound to make your blending tasks quicker and easier, the Kenmore Countertop Blender. Whether you're whipping up a smoothie, milkshake, or even a frozen cocktail, this blender claims to offer the power and versatility you need for a variety of kitchen recipes. But does it really deliver on those promises? Let's see if this red blender is worth the spot on your counter. The Kenmore Countertop Blender features a high-performance electric motor that's designed to handle everything from smoothies to soups. It includes a heavy-duty plastic pitcher that's scratch-resistant, odor-resistant, and dishwasher-safe, which can be a game-changer for busy kitchens. The blender's pulse and ice crush functions are key features, especially if you're a fan of icy drinks or prefer a fine texture for things like salsas and sauces. These settings claim to give you complete control over the texture and consistency of your recipes, which is something that could come in handy for both professional and casual cooks. When it comes to real-world use, this blender is straightforward to set up. There are no complicated buttons or tricky assembly steps. Just plug it in, choose your setting, and you're good to go. The motor has enough power to blend through frozen fruits, ice cubes, and hard vegetables with ease, which is impressive for a countertop model in this price range. The blender does its job well when making smoothies or milkshakes, blending everything into a smooth, drinkable texture. The ice crush function is especially helpful if you're making frozen drinks or cocktails. It pulverizes ice with precision, leaving no chunks behind. One thing I noticed, though, is that when making thicker blends like nut butter or hummus, it can sometimes struggle a bit with the very dense ingredients, needing a little more time to get that perfect creamy texture. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of the Kenmore blender. On the plus side, the motor's performance is solid for the price, especially when it comes to tasks like crushing ice or creating smooth shakes. The heavy-duty pitcher is another big win, as it's not only durable but also dishwasher safe, which means cleaning up after a blend is one less thing to worry about. The design is also simple and easy to use, making it a great option for anyone looking for a no-fuss blending experience. However, there are a few drawbacks. The blender's noise level can be quite high during heavy-duty blending, which might be an issue if you're looking for a quieter operation. Additionally, while the blender is effective with many tasks, its handling of dense ingredients can be a bit underwhelming, especially when compared to higher-end models. It's not the most refined blender when it comes to processing harder ingredients like nuts or seeds. In terms of value for money, the Kenmore blender falls in the mid-range pricing category. It's priced competitively for a blender with the features it offers, including the pulse function and ice crushing capabilities. If you're looking for something that's going to handle basic kitchen tasks, smoothies, shakes, soups, and sauces, it definitely delivers, especially considering the durable, dishwasher-safe pitcher. That said, if you're someone who regularly blends thick mixtures or uses a blender for more than just basic tasks, you may want to explore higher-end options with more powerful motors and better handling of heavy ingredients. Compared to similar models on the market, the Kenmore offers a good balance of performance and durability without breaking the bank. When comparing it to other countertop blenders, the Kenmore holds its own, particularly when you consider the price. In a similar price range, many competitors also provide a solid ice crush function. But what sets the Kenmore apart is the reliability of its glass pitcher, something not all blenders in this category offer. Other blenders in the same range may offer slightly quieter operation or more powerful motors, but they often compromise on ease of use or the quality of their pitchers. If you're after a no-nonsense blender that gets the job done without too many frills, the Kenmore is a solid choice. As for build quality and longevity, the Kenmore blender feels durable, but without extensive long-term testing data, it's hard to say for sure how it will hold up after a few years of regular use. Based on industry trends, though, Kenmore's reputation for reliable kitchen appliances and its 2-year warranty do give some peace of mind. In my experience, the blender performs well even under pressure, and with the right care, it should last for quite a while. Customer support is an area where Kenmore does shine, offering a 2-year warranty and a reputation for responsive service. While I haven't had any direct experience with customer support, the brand's established reliability in providing good after-sales service is a bonus, especially if you ever run into an issue down the line. With that said, let's wrap things up. The Kenmore Countertop Blender does what it promises, providing a solid performance for making smoothies, shakes, and frozen drinks, thanks to its versatile settings and powerful motor. While it's not perfect for more complex blending tasks like processing hard ingredients, it's a reliable choice for everyday use, particularly if you value a durable design and easy cleanup. If you're in the market for a blender that balances quality and affordability, this one's definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts on the Kenmore Countertop Blender, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews. Until next time, happy blending, and as always, this has been Reviews Inside TV.